Thanks for reading our article. We wrote it because we believe that efficient and effective government is essential to Canada's success in the 21st century. But that's not what we're getting. Our government, the federal government, is actually not good enough, not nearly good enough, at getting things done. Important things like procuring new ships for the Navy, like policy development, the delivery of essential services to Canadians, and in fact, even paying employees properly. In the article, we set out a number of reasons why this is happening and what needs to be done to fix it. It's not going to be easy, but it can be done. It will take determination, political leadership, public support, and a real commitment on the part of the senior public service to change. We hope you enjoy reading the article.